Have you ever had your hard work replaced? Not because you weren't performing, but because you cost too much. Today, I found out a family member was let go from his job, not because he wasn't performing, not because he wasn't taking care of his job responsibilities, but because what it was costing the company. That really hit home with me. It actually brought up bad old memories because when I was in the car business, that happened to me multiple times. A dealership would hire me, bring you in. This is what we want you to do. You create profit for them. You start making a nice paycheck, and all of a sudden you're being told you're costing too much, take a pay cut, or we'll replace you. That's when I decided to build my own business. I decided to build a business online in digital marketing, something that I controlled. And no matter what my performance was, no one could let me go. If this has ever happened to you in the past, you know the feeling. Don't let it happen again. Put control in comments, and I'll share with you what I found.